Hi everyone, today we're going to be making chicken and spaghetti stir fry. So using 1 kg of chicken breast, we're going to slice them lengthwise and then we're going to dice them. To our chicken, we're going to add a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to mix it up, mix it into the chicken. Make sure you mix it thoroughly and get the chicken well seasoned. Now we're going to set the chicken aside and we're going to start the sauce. So to a bowl, add 1 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that all up. Once thoroughly mixed it, set the bowl aside. Now before we continue on with the chicken, we want to get the water on for the pasta. So fill your pot up with water and put it on the stove to boil. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to the water and 1 tablespoon of salt just to give a little bit of flavor. Now back to the chicken. Slice up 1 onion, dice it up small, and then mince 3 garlics. The smaller you mince your garlics, the more flavor you get out of your garlic. Now to the pan, we're going to add oil, add our onions, saute them. Once nice and caramelized, we're going to add our garlic and saute them as well. And then we're going to add our chicken. We're going to fry the chicken until the chicken is well done and cooked. While our chicken is cooking, the water for the pasta should be boiling by now. So we're going to add 800 grams of fettuccine pasta to it. We're going to leave that to boil for around 15 minutes. Back to our chicken, we're going to add 400 grams of canned mushrooms and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix that all in for around 10 minutes. By then, our pasta should be ready, and drain the pasta out. We're going to add the chicken to the pasta. And we're going to add the sauce to the chicken and pasta. Give it a good mix in. And there you have it, your pasta and chicken stir fry. Enjoy. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for future more recipes. Have a nice day and bye.